Hi guys, I'm Tiểu Anh again. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. And in the series of review about Bitcoin blockchains, Bitcoin platform, today I am going to review about the Avion part 2. As you know, in my previous review about Avion, I have talked about the basic information about the industry problem and how Evans come up with solutions to them. The video introducing about the Evans, the teams, the advisors, and those met of Evans. And today I am talking about the detailed information about Evans through a white paper. Yes, you can see you can get access to a link to a white paper. You can click here in the page website of Evans here, and then you click to download white paper. If you can read in English, you click here, and read in Chinese, you click here. And I just only understand English. And now I click here, and then it can it move to another subscribe to download white paper, and you must write your name here and your email here is all required. Yes, and then you will click here subscribe to download. Alright, and the file PDF will download this to your PC, and have here my downloaded file. You can see here. Okay, in the table contains about seven parts about the Avion. The first one is problem statements. The second one is solutions, tools, applications, for tokens model and distributions. 5. Demand and supply of tokens. 6. Community and team. And the last one is conclusions. And there are, as you can see, there are many parts here, and I just review some the most important studies about it. I will talk scheme problem solutions, and especially the applications of it, and token model and distributions, right? Now here's the first one. Here's the basic information about in the video. In my previous review, I show you. Okay, Avion stands for Artificial Intelligence Video Open Network. A decentralized open-source blockchain protocol and ecosystem built on a consensus network of artificial intelligence (AI), computing resources, and a community of human space. About those problem statements, there are Here there are nine problems. The first one is video content is everywhere. More than 4.3 million videos are viewed every minute on YouTube, and over 1.1 million hours of video are watched per day on Facebook and Google. But with this much access to content, how does anyone find content anymore? And how can content producers improve the monetization of their content while also giving a better experience to users? And the second problem is video content is overkill and not searchable. Google, Bing, and Yahoo search engines work by indexing contextual contents. A page, the search engine has two major functions: crawling, building an index, and providing search users with the rank list of the website they determine are the most relevant. The third problem is video content like metadata. I remember that I talk about it quite detailed. The fourth one is content safety for viewer and advertiser, and this section is also mentioned in the website in my previous video. So that I skip it. The fifth is content globalizations and localizations. Another challenging problem within the video industry that at least about 90% of content on the internet is accessible in only one of 10 top languages. Most videos on the internet are only accessible in a single language, usually English. Right, just past it also mentions in the previous video. And the sixth is AI still needs human intelligence. It is very obvious. Next is that AI requires computing resources. Because of the amount of data, no one CPU or GPU can typically process all the data. So the data must be broken up and distributed to multiple CPU or GPU for processing. And the next problem is online video is growing, making hard to find video content. And the last one is that the internet and online video need decentralizations. And from the problem, I will come up with the solution to them. Here's the overview of their solutions. They invent artificial intelligence. Besides, they also invent AI nodes. Also, the metadata extractions is also invented. Aside from assigning a content safety index, AI will be used to capture various types of metadata. The three most common types of metadata used for search optimizations are store, drives and edits metadata or tagging. And the next is in solutions in human expect network. This part I mention quite detailed so that you can and to know more the further information about it, you can download the white paper to your computer to get detailed information. And now I will move into the Avion ecosystem. Here you can see there are 5 independent parties in the Avion ecosystem. The first one is requester, the second is computing resources provider, the third is human space, the fourth is validator, and the last one is software developer. They also have 2 requesters. The first requester submits video to Avion to obtain the normalized metadata of video. The second is requester pay for the job in the native tokens of Avion. And what is the what can Avion apply in the reality? The first one deal word example and application. You know, the better content metadata for the better search and discoverability. Currently, metadata is supplied by user and some cases very inconsistent. For example, when 2 people are uploading the same dog competition video, one might put talk such as dog show, and the other might talk it with more detail. Dog terriers based in show 2018. West Myetherwallt dog show neither is wrong, but the later metadata is much more descriptive and detailed. Therefore, normalized and standardized metadata will help individuals better matching results. Besides, in the ecosystem, AI much verifications and corrections. AI decentralized distributed computing cloud. Content safety, brand safety for advertiser, globalization and localizations of contents. Right. And now I will show you the token model and distributions. About the tokens, the tokens is a token developed using the Ethereum ERC20 token standards. The token serve is the following functions. There are 3 following functions. The first one is as a micro accounting tools and payment solutions. The second one is medium of exchange within a platform. And the last one is as a reward and incentive tokens for platform contributor. And what Avion distribute their tokens? How does attribute? And I will provide all you some information about the token sale. Token symptom AVO. TBC private sale started 1st August 2018, while listing date 1st October 2018. Public sale date November 2018. TBC. Initial issue size about 400 million, maximize issue size about 1 million after 10 years. Token price is about 6.25. So how can Avion distribute the token sale? Here the chart about token sale distribute of Avion. The largest is about 35% distribute to token sale, 20% distribute to father and team, about 15 distribute to market development, about 22.5% distribute to community development, and about 7.5% distribute to advisors. And here the chart for use of proceeds for R&D, platform cost, marketing, operations, admin, legal, and accounting. This will provide information about the team and emphasize advisors. I will provide you all of you in the previous review. Okay, another blockchain. implementations will achieve three components. The first one is smart contracts between the network operations, content publisher, advertiser, distributor, and service provider, with maximize utilizations. And the second one is a mechanism for service provider to transact and be compensated using flexible pricing. And the last one is immutable records of the metadata and annotations for each classified item. Okay, I have finished the review about detailed information about items through white paper, and if you find it is a potential and helpful to you, you let like, share, and subscribe from my channel. Okay, goodbye and see you.